We are aware that obtaining the necessary documents to legally work and live in Romania can be very challenging and time-consuming, especially since immigration laws regularly change without prior notice. That is why we're here to provide professional immigration services and consultancy to you. We prepare all the necessary paperwork so that the client's presence will only be necessary for a few mandatory actions. This service is predominantly aimed at assisting non-EU citizens that envisions an extended stay in Romania. This is also applicable for any expatriate who obtained a work authorization of any type and his family members, including children. Non-EU citizens are required to obtain a long-stay visa prior to obtaining Romanian residence permits. Please note that for family members, the long-stay visas can only be obtained after a favorable answer in this regard has been obtained from the Romanian Immigration Inspectorate. Our team of specialized immigration consultants offer all the necessary support in order to make the process run smoothly. Due to its sensitive nature, we begin the process from the very moment we are contacted to handle a new immigration case and make sure that the processing time is reduced to our client's benefit. Our key to success: be proactive, anticipate possible issues, always keep the client informed, and offer the best solutions. Residence permits are of two types: the temporary residence permits, that can be valid for 1 to 5 years. After 5 years of legal stay in Romania, one can apply for the permanent residency permit, followed by citizenship application. General information: temporary residence permit. The temporary residence/stay permit can be obtained by foreign citizens who entered Romania with a long-stay visa. The permit can be extended for a 1 to 5 years duration by submitting an application with a series of documents requested by the IGI depending on the purpose. The application must be registered at least 30 days before the permit or visa expires. The temporary residence permit is granted only if the applicant has a valid travel document, has legal proof of a living space, has national health insurance, fills in the same purpose as the one stated in the temporary residence permit previously granted, is a non-EU family member of either a Romanian citizen or another European Union citizen. Permanent residence permit. The permanent residence permit can be obtained only if foreign citizens have already been granted a temporary residence permit and fulfill the following conditions. They have proof of a continuous and legal stay of minimum 5 years on national territory, with a maximum absence of 6 consecutive months. They have national health insurance. They have means of subsistence, at least the minimum income level guaranteed in Romania. They prove to know Romanian language at a satisfactory level. They don't represent a danger for national security. As an internal procedure, after the file registration, you may attend an interview to establish the level of your Romanian language. The applications for issuing the permanent residence permit will be solved in maximum 6 months, with the possibility of extending the period by another 90 days. In case of a positive response, the permanent residence permit will be issued for a 5-year period, with the possibility of extending it. Foreign citizens who are granted a long-term residence permit must obey the Romanian legislation and benefit from the same rights as a Romanian citizen. The right to work and study. The validation of their studies and acknowledgement of their diplomas. Social security.